to end our week talking all about the different kinds of animals, their homes, where they live, I wanted to talk a little bit about how they move. To begin our lesson, I'm going to be reading the story, How Animals Move by Anne Tackman. As we're reading through our story, pay close attention and be on the lookout for some of our sight words. They will be in a bright yellow highlighted form. When you see the sight word on the page, I want you to try to sound out what the word is before I get to it. You can also try following along and reading with me at home. Let's get started reading How Animals Move. Some animals swim or run. Others hop, jump, leap, or fly. Some baby animals can move like adults soon after they are born. A baby giraffe can stand up and walk about an hour after it is born. On this page, I see one of our sight words. Were you able to read it before I did? The sight word on page 2 is baby. We talked about on this page how a baby giraffe can stand up and walk about an hour after it's born. Can you imagine walking on the first day that you were born? That is crazy. Let's keep reading to find out how more animals move and see if we can spot any more sight words. Birds. Other baby animals learn to move like adult animals as they grow. Baby birds cannot fly. They stay in the nest, and the mother bird brings them food. In a few weeks, the babies will be bigger. Then they will be ready to fly. Us humans are a lot like these baby birds. We learn to move as we grow. When you were a baby, before you could run, you had to walk. Before you could walk, you had to crawl. Before you could crawl, you had to learn how to roll. We learn as we get older and grow. Whales. A baby whale or calf begins to swim soon after it's born. It will follow its mother when she swims. A mother whale is a careful parent. Her baby is always learning from her. A mother whale keeps her baby safe from danger. She helps her baby to survive. On this page, I saw 3 of our sight words. The words were begins, follow, learning. Let's see if we can find any more as we read. Lions. Lions are skilled hunters by the time they are just 2 years old. Yet they are helpless when they are born. A mother lion carries her cubs when she wants to move them. She picks one cub up in her mouth and carries it safely away. The sight word that is on page 5 is the word years. The word years is used to tell us that lions are skilled hunters by the time they are 2 years old. Kangaroos. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. At first, a joey cannot hop like its parents. The mother kangaroo carries the baby in her pouch for a few months. The joey can leave the pouch when it grows bigger. Possums. A baby possum also rides in its mother's pouch until it is about 8 weeks old. When the baby possum crawls out of the pouch, it climbs onto its mother's back. The baby gets a ride wherever its mother goes. Tadpoles and frogs. A tadpole is a baby frog. Frogs can hop and leap, but tadpoles swim. A tadpole looks a lot like a fish. As a tadpole grows, legs appear. Soon the tadpole will live on land. It will jump, leap, and become a frog. Caterpillars and butterflies. A butterfly starts its life as a caterpillar. A butterfly can fly, but a caterpillar cannot. The caterpillar uses its legs to crawl as it eats and grows. Later, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. It uses its new wings to fly away. Some animal babies can walk, crawl, or swim from the day they are born. Others need time to grow and learn. Mothers feed and protect them while they are young. When they are older, these animals will move in the same way their parents do. Our labels on this page say gorillas, polar bears. These labels are used to tell us what kind of animal is in the picture. The last sight word that we see in our story is the word young. The word young is used when it says, mothers feed and protect them while they are young. This is talking about the baby animals. Now that we have completed reading our story, I now would like for you to complete your questions on Think Central. I left the login instructions for how to log in, and there are about 15 questions. If you are going through, if you're having trouble reading during your reading intervention time, I will check and see who is not done with their questions, and if we need some help reading some of the questions, I will be there to help you. That will be the end of the reading lesson, and we will be continuing some more during our intervention time. I will see you later.